So, do you know how to fly this thing?
I got this, okay? I'm the fastest pilot in the galaxy, old-timer.
Loving the confidence.
Okay, so should we go over basic interstellar travel safety instructions now, or?
Punch it!
Oh, come on! You're not the only one who can use the Force, Jedi!
Whoa!
Jedi Bob, do something!
If you keep calling me that, I am going to let us crash!
Impressive.
I've heard of upgrades, but not usually while you're in the middle of flying the ship. We're losing power. We're gonna crash. I don't even know what's going on right now.
There's always another way to build.
We're running out of ground.
Don't stop.
What?
Trust me.